What breaks a fast? That's the question that you asked yourself at least once while practicing intermittent fasting. Today, we excluded 7 main foods that cause the most confusion amongst fasting amateurs and fans: collagen, creatine, stevia, bone broth, apple cider vinegar, diet soda, and chewing gum. Do they break your fast? Let's get into it. Does collagen break a fast? Collagen has become increasingly popular in the last several years. Beauty bloggers, scientists, and celebrities are all praising its benefits. And that's not surprising. Collagen's natural formula works to improve your hair, skin, nails, joints, and heart health. Collagen is a tasteless, odorless protein most often consumed in powder form. It can be easily added to any food or drink without compromising the taste of the meal. Some people prefer adding it to a shake, while others like to incorporate it into their morning coffee, tea, or even baked goods. But does collagen break a fast? Well, 1 scoop of collagen powder contains about 35 calories. Technically, any food, beverage, or supplement that has calories can break your fast. That means collagen can easily disrupt your fasting window. That's why it's best to consume it during your eating window. For example, if you're following a 16-8 fasting schedule, you would consume all of your foods, including a scoop of unflavored collagen, between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Then, you would avoid any food or calorie-containing beverages for the remaining 16 hours till 8 a.m. the next morning. Does creatine break a fast? Creatine is found naturally in muscles within the human body. As a supplement, people take creatine to enhance their physical performance, build muscle mass, and strength. It can be taken before or after a workout to help your body recover faster from an intense session. But does taking creatine break a fast? Our answer is no. Creatine supplements contain no calories and don't create an insulin response. To break your fast, you would have to raise your insulin levels to a spike level, or take something that stimulates the digestive tract. Creatine does neither of these things. Does stevia break a fast? If you're looking to add some sweet flavor to your fasting regimen, then a sweetener like stevia could do the trick. Being 0-calorie and natural, stevia is safe to consume and doesn't break a fast. According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine research, stevia doesn't raise your blood sugar or insulin levels. To put it simply, it doesn't contain calories and is safe to use while fasting. You can also consume black coffee with stevia on your fast, but it's best to moderate amounts of this sweetener. The recommended amount is 4 milligrams of stevia extract per kilogram of body weight. Also, some stevia products may contain other ingredients like sucrose or sugar alcohols. If stevia is combined with these ingredients, it's no longer natural, and it will break your fast. So don't forget to always check the product label before buying it. Does bone broth break a fast? Bone broth is a stock made from animal bones and connecting tissues. They are simmered down with water, vinegar, herbs, and other vegetables, depending on the recipe. Popular varieties of bone broth are made from fish, chicken, pork, beef, and lamb. As part of a regular diet, bone broth is highly nutritious. Sipping bone broth can help you stay hydrated, curb cravings, and settle hunger pangs. The number of calories in bone broth varies by brand and method. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 100 milliliters of bone broth has 51 calories. So, since the bone broth isn't calorie-free, it will break a fast. However, when it comes to breaking your fast right before the eating window, bone broth is an excellent choice. It contains a lot of electrolytes, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium. Bone broth helps absorb nutrients from other foods more efficiently later on. Does apple cider vinegar break a fast? Great news for apple cider vinegar enthusiasts. 1 tablespoon of undiluted apple cider vinegar has around 3 calories. Since the calories here are minimal, you can safely drink apple cider vinegar without breaking a fast. The easiest way is to mix it into water. Just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water, stir it up, and drink it. Remember, you don't want to take any shots of apple cider vinegar straight from the bottle. Because of vinegar's acidic compounds, it should always be mixed. Otherwise, you risk side effects like tooth enamel erosion or drug interactions. Furthermore, when you dilute ACV with plain water, you lower its calorie content. When diluted enough, it becomes free from calories. If you're practicing intermittent fasting and skipping breakfast, apple cider vinegar could potentially be the boost you need to get through to lunch. Another suggestion is taking apple cider vinegar before bedtime to prevent digestive issues and acid reflux. Does diet soda break a fast? Diet soda was introduced for the first time in the 1950s. Originally, diet soda was created as a soda alternative for people who had diabetes, as it doesn't raise your blood sugar nor does it cause an insulin response. Instead of using sugar, diet soda is flavored with artificial sweeteners. Okay, so does diet soda break your fast? The answer depends on why you're fasting. Diet soda has 0 calories, which means if you're fasting for caloric reasons, then diet soda technically won't break your fast. However, if your goal is to lose weight, drinking diet sodas can still work against your weight loss goals by increasing sugar cravings and hunger throughout the day. Furthermore, the artificial sweeteners in diet soda have been shown to be absorbed by your gut, which means drinking them won't give you any gut rest. So, we strongly recommend avoiding diet soda during your fasting windows and replacing it with healthier alternatives: water, tea, or sugarless coffee without added cream or milk. Does chewing gum break a fast? Those who practice intermittent fasting know that pretty much any calorie consumption during the fasting window will technically break a fast. In theory, chewing sugar-free gum breaks a fast. But significantly losing all fasting benefits requires an intake of calories far greater than a stick of gum. You need to consume enough calories to trigger an insulin response to break a fast fully. One stick of chewing gum typically contains 11 calories, while one stick of sugar-free gum has only 5 calories. So, if you think that you can't go through a fasting window without chewing the gum, a sugar-free one would be your best option. Also, try to keep it to a minimum. However, keep in mind that some suggest that chewing motion may trigger hunger, so think twice before taking that stick of gum during your fasting window. Want some more videos about fasting? Then watch next: how to break out of an intermittent fasting plateau and intermittent fasting for massive weight loss.